Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Yes, I have sort of an eye look on. No, it's not finished because I'm here trying to do video number 2. I had to take a break, but that's okay. So what am I gonna wear? Well, I'm gonna do my Hello Good Stuff for one. Oh, this is gonna be, I haven't even done my eyebrows yet. While I wait to set, I'm just gonna do a quick, easy, fuss-free eyebrow. Get the feeling that you guys are gonna see this video before my Linda Hallberg order gets in, because they say between 2 and 26 days. It's coming from Sweden. And I did not pay shipping, so it's gonna take the 26 days. Okay, so did I decide what foundation I was gonna... La Masca. Let's try a little bit of this too. Ah, good. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. It's hard to tell because it looks like water, but it's almost done. And then I'll be able to use my Milk Makeup one, which is just a sample. But I have to record my final, not that I did a whole lot, I think I did 2 project pans. The first one and then one update early on in the year, and that was it. But I need to do the final one so that you guys can see my drawer full of empties. I just was too lazy to do updates and keep up with measuring and all that stuff. I like doing a project pan. I like doing that. I do. Yes, I do. Let's try it. I got my blue sitting beside me and waiting. And all I've got now in my head is that song. Okay, this is very liquidy. The equivalent of 1 pump is enough. Now the question is, I will not know until I go to the big mirror if I need blue, and then it'll be too late. And that's all she wrote. I'm trying to do buff and pat. Rose says to pat, but others say to buff. So I know you have to buff powder, but I don't know. Everybody's an expert, and memory lacking woman just doesn't know what to do. Okay. Good grief, Bridget. I don't even know. Okay. Now, what I do know is that I need some concealer. And Nikki LaRose says, do not put creams under your eyes, just put serums. And I did that. That's all I did, was put a serum under my eyes, and I tried to be gentle putting on the primer. I did need to do that because my eyes are like paper, but in the meantime, even this is yellow. I cannot get a good color to save my life. If I can find a foundation in the right color, I can tell you right now, that is going to be the only foundation I ever use again. I am going to pull a Rose. Except she's got a good micellar water now, a gel that does not fall, not like this one. This is a no-name dollar store micellar water. And I'm taking my pointy cotton swab, and I'm doing this after I put my concealer on. Aren't I so smart? Okay, that's as sharp as I'm gonna get them, and best thing I ever had. When I started on my YouTubes, all my makeup was in this cart. That's how little I had, and that's how little I knew. Now this cart is strictly tools, and the makeup is everywhere else. Okay, so that can go back. I need a very precise brush. I've got a lip brush. I get the feeling this is going to be the only video on this camera I really got to get to editing, because I need another SD card. I'm back. Don't I look fabulous? Absolutely fabulous. Actually, as I said in the other video, and you're gonna hear it again, I would go to a New Year's Eve party looking like this, and little black dress. Go watch the other video. And the only thing I would change is my earrings. I'd go from these white gold to, well, I've got some big, I don't even know how to describe them, but they're big, big statement pieces, because I don't take off my jewelry. I should. They need a cleaning, but I just never take them off because it irritates my holes, and then they get infected, so I just leave them in, and that's it, that's all. But I ended up putting a bit of powder on my face as well, the Innisfree. I used my Marc Jacob and my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blush, and my Bobbi Brown mini highlighter in Pink Glow. Why can't I remember that? It's in Pink Glow. It's beautiful. What else did I put on? I put on... This was part of my very first project pan. Rosette from Ilia. Yeah, it's still good. And I put Mellow as a lip liner. I used my Stila mascara. I used my Victoria Beckham eyeliner. And I'm trying to think if there was anything else. Just, yeah. This beautiful palette. Absolutely gorgeous palette. Was scary to start with. Putting black on my, it was dark when I started. It was dark. Just ran with it. Just ran with it. It's makeup. I can go wash it right off. I'll wait a couple of hours, but I can go wash it right off. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.